Hey, if you want to change clock on the lock screen and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, so first of all, you will have to open settings. Right now, you'll have to keep scrolling and move until you find, oh, I just missed the wallpaper and style. Now, when you are on the lock screen, as you can see, you can find here the different clock styles. By just simply moving this into the left or the right side, you can pick any other clock theme that you want. So for example, this one. Now we can also go into the clock color and size. So by moving, it's not working right now. We can simply change between small and the dynamic. And by going into the color, I'm not sure why this function is not working, but here you can even change the color of your clock. Then you can just go back and take a look. That's how it looks. It's quite simple. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.